So here's some chicken fried rice for all of y'all to enjoy. Isn't it looking amazing? Today I am all set to make chicken fried rice on the request of Mr. Jatin Makwana. Chicken fried rice is a very flavorful and an authentic Chinese recipe, but it is very simple to make. Believe me. So let me teach you how to make this and you too try it in your own kitchen. Hello, we are all set to make our chicken fried rice Chinese. Okay, so this is actually fully loaded with veggies, eggs as well as chicken. So I'll start making. I have around 150 grams of boneless chicken. So to this I will just add around 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, one very small amount of salt, because soya sauce also has salt in it, so I'll not add too much salt. To this I'll add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and here I have some groundnut oil, so I'll put around 3 teaspoons of groundnut oil into my pan, and I'll put all my chicken into it, and I'll let the chicken fry. Now as the chicken is frying, we'll not waste any time. We'll beat the eggs. I'll add just a pinch of salt to this, not too much. Beat it really till it mixes very well. So we'll take a look. Our chicken is almost done. We'll remove it off onto our bowl like this. Put 2 teaspoons of oil on our pan again. Put all the eggs which we had beaten into the pan and let it fry. This should become really, fluffy, and it should be a little whitish yellowish in color. Now let's put around 2 tablespoons of oil into our pan. So first of all, we need our chopped garlic. So we'll put all of the chopped garlic into our stove. I'll add my ginger and split chilies. So I split it and cut it off in long shape. Even the ginger I have cut it off in this long shape. So we have to chop all our vegetables in long shapes, and that gives a really beautiful look. So do everything in an organized manner, so your dish turns out to look really pretty when it comes, in the end product should really look really beautiful when you are presenting it to someone you love, like your parents or your loved one, your partner, your friends or your kids, whoever it is. Your dish should look exotic when you give it to them. So I have chopped my onions too in this long shape, and I'll add all the onions. So this is 1 onion. I have some green capsicum or green peppers. I have some red and yellow bell peppers. I'll add that too. I'll add some mushrooms. So if you have a lot of vegetables, your Chinese chicken fried rice will turn out to be really exotic. Here we have some baby corns, which again I have chopped it into long shape, and some carrots. So this too I've shredded it really fine. So we'll add all of this, and now we'll toss everything together very well and let it become really shiny. Now as it is frying away, let's add some salt to taste. We'll add 2 teaspoons of vinegar, so all of your vegetables are almost getting cooked and it's almost done. Now at this stage what we'll do is we'll quickly add 3 small spoons, so 3 small teaspoons of soya sauce. Now I have a big bowl of cooked rice. This is around 1.5 cup of cooked rice. So we'll add all of this rice into our pan. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. My kitchen has turned really aromatic right now, and this entire dish is looking really amazing. Now we have mixed all the rice and the veggies together. Now what we'll do is we'll put all the fried chicken into it. And next we'll add all the egg which we had fried. And we'll mix all of this together. Now we'll just sprinkle some pepper powder over it, and we'll put some sesame seeds. So here are some sesame seeds. So I'll sprinkle some sesame seeds over it like this. And we'll put it onto our plate. So here's some chicken fried rice for all of you all to enjoy. Isn't it looking amazing? So here it is for all of you to taste. Take a bite.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple.